the feeling I get when I look in your eyes and you're staring back. Oh, I treasure good moments like that. It's the time that we spend doing nothing at all. Stay up on a call. Oh, with you there is nothing I lack. If you ask me what love is and what it's about, to be honest, I'm still figuring it out. If I could be candid and tell you the truth, I'd love to figure love out with you. It's the pact that we make to be safe and secure, a shelter that's sure. Count on me on a rainy day. It's the choice that we make when we feel the weight of 100 small heartbreaks, to talk it out instead of parting ways. So if you ask me what love is and what it's about, to be honest, I'm still figuring it out. If I could be candid and tell you the truth, I just wanna figure love out with you. It's when you tell me things that you'd never tell anyone else. I'm discovering things I never knew before. Love is all these and more. Love is all these and more. Love is all these and more. So if you ask me what love is, I'd shrug and I'd smile. Rest your head and lay down for a while. There's so much to say and so much to do. I just wanna live my whole life with you.